Hey guys, today we're gonna do some slime. So we're gonna need some baking soda, food coloring, some activator, and some shaving cream. And we're gonna do two sorts of slime today. We're gonna do some fluffy slime and some normal slime. So you can use you don't need to use coloring food, but you can use some acrylic paint. So let's just get started. We're gonna start by the glue. So we're gonna start by the normal glue. We first put some glue, and then we put some coloring food. If you want, you don't need to put some. So I just like to put glue. Coloring food. Let's open this. I'm gonna put 2 drips. Okay. Then I close it. And now we mix it. When you're done mixing, we're just gonna add a little bit of baking soda. Okay. If you need more, just add more, some more. Just need some more. There. We're gonna add some activator. Okay, let's mix. And it did some sticky slime. If you want it sticky, you can leave it like that and play with it. But if you don't want it sticky, take the activator, put some in your hand, and just rub well, and then you start mixing with your hands. Put that here. So it's not sticky now because I put some activator on my hands and then I rubbed it. So I play with it and it's done. We're done our first slime. You can do a bigger one if you want, but I did a small one. Now let's go on the second slime. Gonna put this on the side here. Or like here. So we're gonna first start with some glue again. And okay. It's enough. I'm gonna add some coloring food this time. I'll add some green. Let's see where it is. Oh, here it is. Okay. So I add some green to, whoop, I added a little too much. Okay, put it back. Let's start mixing. Okay, now let's put some shaving cream. So I got some foaming shaving cream. Wait, did we open this? Oh, there it is. I added a little too much. Let's get this. It did funny noise. Let's mix. Well, you know what? I should add a little bit more green coloring food because this is gonna be white. And I want it green. So I added a little bit more. And I mixed. So this is looking pretty good, but now we need some activator so it can form into slime. Okay, I hope that's enough, because this is a lot of shaving cream. It's gonna be super fluffy. Well, it is slime, kind of forming. And it's super duper duper fluffy, but it's still not slime yet. So let's add a little bit more activator. So it's starting to be slime. Oh, it's sticky slime. So yeah, it's done. Let's just do it unsticky. Oh, this is super duper sticky. Okay, let's get this. There. Whoa, this is too sticky. Let's add a little bit more activator. Ah. Okay, that's gonna be good. How am I gonna open this? Oh yeah, I forgot the baking soda. I'll put it at the end. After. Oh, you know what? Let's put it now. Just take. Okay, there we go. That's enough. I'll just mix it again. Okay, so we're done mixing. super foamy. Let's add some more activator on my hands. There. So now let's just place our feet on sticky. This is a big slime. I love it. Let's put these a little bit here and this here. Oh, I really like this slime. So I'm done these two slimes. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And please comment down below and tell me which slime you prefer. The fluffy one or the blue one. The original one. Bye.